Travel Chunks. Today we are learning a language I can't even pronounce. It's here and it's most commonly spoken in South Africa and was the native language of Nelson Mandela as well. So really excited to get into this one. It's actually spoken by 8 million people, which sounds like a lot, but when you think of languages like Mandarin Chinese, for example, that's got, you know, over 900 million speakers. The language is characterised by a series of clicks and tonal variations. We're going to learn the C click, the X click, and the Q or Chu type click. The video we're learning the Xhosa language, there we go, I said it, I tried, off of today is a tongue twister video actually uploaded by a YouTuber called Silvio Marchini in 2008. We're going to click on it and I'll invite Alex to the call and we'll watch it together and try and produce some of those clicks. Right, so let's play this video.
The first one is C, so the pronunciation of C is ta. Can you do that?
So is it the C sound we're going to start with, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's my version.
So it's just clicking your tongue before saying like a vowel sound.
C, so the pronunciation of C is ta.
It's not at the front of the mouth, it's kind of like at the back, at the teeth. Like that. Alright, it's not that funny.
Let me try again. Oh, it's so embarrassed to speak these languages because we just must sound like absolute imbeciles.
The second is X, the pronunciation is ta.
But it just sounds the same to me. Like maybe it's mid range in the mouth, but it's like it's not as far back as the C sound. It's in the middle somewhere. But,
yeah. So the C sound for me seems like it's like if you're smiling, it seems to be at the back, so like a. Whereas this seems more at the front, like a.
Instead of like C was. I can't do it. I'm just. Mate, I'm just going na.
I'm intrigued to where the third one's going to go.
The last one is the Q.
Okay.
Wow.
So that's like a classic one where you just. I think what we've learned is the C sound is at the back. The X sound is like at the front.
Or mid.
Well, kind of, yeah, mid. And then the Chu sound is at the front.
I feel like we can just tell the difference between those three sounds that he was talking about. But at the same time, because we can't produce them, we obviously can't hear the subtleties of how to say that.
That's amazing. That's a really interesting one. Nice one. So as always, we'll put a link to the video we've been using down below. Check it out. It's a really good one.
Please comment below if you've ever tried to learn this language. Either you're not a native speaker of the language and have tried to learn it. How difficult is it? Because it looks really difficult. Or maybe you're a native speaker of the language and you want to give some tips on how to produce those clicks to help us out. Not that we're ever going to become experts in this language, but it's really fun to try.
Thanks ever so much for watching Travel Chunks. We'll see you tomorrow.